Hello, I'm Leo Page at MarineMax at downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida, and today I'm going to show you aboard our recent trade-in, this 2017 Boston Whaler 190 Outrage. The Outrage series gives you a nice big high bow, high freeboard along the sides of the boat, 18 degrees of dead rise at the transom for a smooth ride inshore and offshore, powered by a Mercury 150 horsepower 4-stroke outboard with stainless steel prop, hydraulic steering, nice swim platform with stainless steel ladder, trim tabs. As you come around, we'll board into the transom of the boat. Dual rear bucket seats in the back of the boat, leaning post with rod holders and a live well. 195 hours on the Mercury outboard engine. Marine electronics already flush mounted on the boat, and plenty of walk around room as well as seating on the bow of this boat, and fully equipped with all the fishing equipment you need. Come by MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida today and ask for Leo Page to see the Gulf Coast's largest selection of new and pre-owned boats, or call me directly, 407-394-7623.